Welcome to the SF6 gas filling manual for high voltage equipment. This video will guide you through the precision process required to maintain the electrical grid and protect the environment. SF6 gas is a core asset due to its superior insulation, thermal stability, and chemical inertness. It stops electrical arcs, survives extreme heat, and prevents internal metal corrosion. Our environmental mandate is zero leakage. SF6 is a potent greenhouse gas, so flawless execution during filling prevents its atmospheric release, protecting our planet. Safety is paramount. Always de-energize and earth the equipment. Wear proper PPE, including respiratory protection, and check all tools, such as the SF6 gas cart and leak detectors. The four-step master process is simple yet critical. Evacuate air and moisture, fill SF6, compensate for temperature, and test seals and alarms for total reliability. Step 1 is connection and evacuation. Connect the specialized hose, activate the vacuum pump, and remove all air and moisture. Ensure a vacuum level below 1.0 millibars. The moisture threat is serious. Water vapor reacts with SF6 during an arc, generating toxic chemicals. Proper evacuation prevents this dangerous reaction. Step 2 is the filling process. Open the SF6 cylinder valve slowly. Fast filling cools the gas, causing inaccurate pressure readings. Target a nominal pressure between 5.0 and 7.0 bars. Step 3 is temperature compensation. Environmental heat expands the gas, creating falsely high pressure readings. The goal is to measure gas density, not raw pressure, using a 20 degrees Celsius baseline. Raw pressure is misleading because it constantly fluctuates with heat. Gas density, measured with a temp-compensated gauge, is a stable, true indicator of insulation integrity. Step 4 is checking and final verification. Perform leak testing on all joints with an electronic SF6 sniffer. Ensure pressure stability by allowing gas temperature to equalize, then seal the equipment. Safety sensors include alarm and lockout systems. An alarm triggers during a slight pressure drop, requiring scheduled maintenance. A lockout triggers during a dangerous drop, disabling the breaker to prevent explosion. Key technical parameters include a nominal pressure target of 5.0 to 7.0 bars, an evacuation vacuum limit under 1.0 millibars, and a standard base temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. Moisture tolerance is extremely low. The complete system, evacuate plus fill plus compensate plus test, ensures total reliability. This process ensures the breaker safely interrupts thousands of amps, prevents gas leakage, and protects the power grid and environment. In conclusion, always consult the specific pressure temperature chart for your equipment. Every circuit breaker model requires a unique filling curve. Follow the manufacturer's data precisely.